welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on KKW X Kylie lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. So here's what the packaging looks like. It came in this pink little box, same as the holiday collection. Here you have KKW X Kylie lipsticks, and also in the box it did come with this little postcard. Well, there's actually two of them. This one's from the holiday collection. This card does look like, I think they're wearing the shade Twinning on their lips. I'm not quite sure. And of course, when you flip the card, it does say KKW X Kylie Round 2. It's all because of you. I get to collaborate with my sister. Thanks for all the love. It's been so much fun creating more colors. Love, Kylie. And she also included the holiday card as well. You guys have already seen this. This one says Happy Holidays, and you guys can read that. I got my packing slip. This time it's green. The other time it was blue. So now we're going to jump right into the liquid lipstick. This packaging feels so matte. It's so beautiful. I love this dark chocolate packaging. It is very nice to touch. It's different. It's not a glossy finish or anything. It's definitely like a matte and a gloss mixed together. I love how it says KKW and then it says Kylie Cosmetics. So let's open this up. You're just going to slide it out. And then here we have the 4 shades. So let's open this up. You can just open this at the top. Packaging so far is definitely A+. In this collection you do get 2 matte liquid lipsticks, 1 velvet liquid lipstick, and 1 gloss. So let's try on the gloss first. I believe it's this one. Here's what the gloss in the collection does look like. This is in the shade Main Bae. So let's open this up. I do like the applicator on the gloss. So here's what the shade in Main Bay does look like. It's this very pigmented gloss. Let's see what this looks like applied to my lip. I'm not really a gloss person, but I really do love how pigmented this gloss is. It's not sticky at all. Yeah, there's no sticky to it. It's very pigmented on the lips. It glided on very smoothly on my lips. And for some reason, I do feel like this gloss did give me a little bit of plumpness to my lips. It's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit more bigger and juicier. So far, I'm loving this gloss. Let's see what the next shade does look like. I'm definitely not liking this gloss anymore because it's starting to get all over my teeth. And you guys know that's something I do not like. So let's see what the next shade in the collection is. The next shade is called Twinning, and this is a velvet liquid lipstick. Let's see what this looks like. And of course, it does come with Kylie's Doe Foot applicator. Here we have the shade in Twinning. This shade is a rosy terracotta shade. And of course, with Kylie's velvet liquid lipsticks, these are not going to be drying down matte. They are going to sit comfortably on your lips, but they are going to transfer. I love this rosy terracotta shade in Twinning. It does complement my skin complexion, and I definitely feel like this shade I can wear as an everyday shade. I do feel like this shade in Twinning is definitely my lips but better. It does sit comfortably on the lips, but I do want to do a kiss test for you guys to show you guys that this velvet liquid lipstick is going to transfer. So I'm just going to do a kiss test on the back of my hand. This velvet liquid lipstick is going to transfer. A lot of it is still on my lips. If you are eating and drinking, you might have to reapply this velvet liquid lipstick throughout the day. So now we're going to move on to the next shade, and of course these two are my favorite formulas. We have the matte formula, so let's see what this shade looks like. The next shade in the collection is called Double Trouble, and this is a matte liquid lipstick, which I love her matte liquid lipstick formulas, you guys. Here's what the shade Double Trouble does look like, and this is a red chestnut shade. How gorgeous is this red shade? Let's see what it looks like applied to the lips. I love this shade in Double Trouble. It does complement my skin complexion. I feel like in the promo card right here, I think they are wearing the shade Double Trouble. What do you guys think? I think it's this shade. I don't think it's the shade Twinning because it's a little bit darker. First, I'm going to be doing a kiss test with this matte liquid lipstick in Double Trouble. I'm going to show you guys that her matte liquid lipstick formula is amazing. It really lasts so long on the lips. It can stain your lips, so definitely be mindful of that. I'm just going to do a kiss test on the back of my hand. So as you guys can see, nothing came off from my lips. My lips are so comfortable. They're not drying at all. I really do love this shade in Double Trouble. This shade in Double Trouble was a little bit difficult to remove from my lips, but I used an oil to remove the remaining residue that I did have from my lips. The last shade in the collection has to be Soul Sister. I'm pretty sure, yes, it is. So here's what the shade Soul Sister does look like, and of course I forgot to show you guys. At the bottom of the lipstick tube, it does have the shade name and the formula, whether it's matte or a gloss. Let's see what the last shade in Soul Sister does look like. So here we have the shade in Soul Sister. This is a brick red shade. I love this shade in Soul Sister. It does complement my skin complexion as well. I feel like they're probably wearing this shade in Soul Sister in the promo. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that they're wearing Soul Sister in the promo card, or do you guys think that they're wearing Double Trouble? I'm not really sure what shade that they're wearing in the promo, but I definitely know it's one of these two shades. I think I'm going to go with Double Trouble. I think that they're wearing Double Trouble in the promo. Overall, you guys, I really do love the 4 lippies in this collection. I really love the gloss. I love the velvet lipstick, surprisingly, even though I know it is going to transfer. But I really do love the mattes in this collection. It is going to last a really long time. I love the formula, and I do love all 4 of these shades. I also love the packaging on these lipsticks. It does have this frosted glass bottle with the drips on it, and of course the cap is chocolate brown. This lip set does retail for $42 on KylieCosmetics.com, and I am checking online. It is still available. I really thought that this collection would sell out like the first collection did. I was not planning to purchase the first collection because I knew for a fact that those shades weren't going to complement my skin complexion, so I decided to pass on that. But this second collection, I really do love all 4 of these shades, and that's like rare. It's definitely one shade in the collection that I'm not a fan of. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.